The arrival of two Chinese CJ-6 Nanchang trainers at Omaka in the mid-1990s precipitated the rapid growth of the Marlborough Warbirds Association. These two aircraft and the association can be credited with being one of the main catalysts for the growth of vintage and warbird aviation activities at Omaka over the past 10 years. The single largest display of this year's show was a combined formation of former Eastern Bloc trainers, the Nanchangs and Yak 52s. 6 Russian Yak 52s joined with 3 Nanchangs to create a 9-aircraft formation. While there's always a certain degree of rivalry between the Yak and Nanchang pilots, they always make the most of any opportunity to get together for some formation flying. Once past the crowd, the Nanchangs split away from the formation and land, leaving the airspace over Omaka free for the Yaks. Production of the Nanchang began in 1960. And the type was operated as both a primary and an advanced military trainer. Such was the success of the design that the final aircraft only came off the production line in 1994. For the past 2 years, the members of the Yak 52-based Red Star Formation aerobatic team have been practicing and perfecting their routines with the goal of becoming one of the top display teams in New Zealand. Powered by a 350 horsepower Ivanchenko engine, the aircraft has plenty of power and is capable of withstanding aerobatic maneuvers of up to 7G. Initially designed to train Soviet jet fighter pilots, over 1,800 aircraft of the type have been produced since 1976. It's estimated that over 1,200 of those are still airworthy today. Both the Yak 52 and Nanchang share a common ancestor in the Yak 18, which was first produced in 1947. The Yak's engine features an inverted fuel system that permits up to 2 minutes of inverted flight. This extended ability to fly inverted has enabled the team to perfect their trademark inverted Vic formation. As the 3-ship formation sweeps down the display line, Brian Coppersmith in the lead aircraft flicks to an inverted position and the team sweeps around the crowd and climbs to the south. With a mix of ex-Air Force, commercial and private pilots, the team spans a variety of backgrounds, but they all share the common enjoyment of formation aerobatics. John Parker regularly flies one of the solo spots in his aircraft ZK-TYS. The Yak is a very popular warbird with pilots, with new examples of the type being imported into New Zealand on a regular basis. One of the most recent Yak imports is Kevin Jane's delightful grey camouflaged ZK-YAC, seen here during a practice session shortly after its arrival.